Hello everyone, in this video we discuss about the case study of pollution. So let's talk about the pollution. Pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues facing the modern world. It refers to the introduction of harmful substances or contaminants into the natural environment, causing adverse changes. These pollutants can be chemical substances, energy such as noise or heat, or biological materials. With rapid industrialization, urbanization, and population growth, population levels have increased drastically, affecting air, water, and land. It not only damage ecosystem but also poses serious health risk to human and animals. This case study explores the types, causes, effect, and possible solution to pollution with a focus on real-world scenarios. Types of pollution. First is air pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful gases, dust, and smoke enter the atmosphere. Common pollutants include carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter. Source. What is the source of air pollution? Vehicles emissions, industrial smoke, burning of fossil fuels, construction activities. Example: cities like Delhi often face severe air pollution during winter due to smog and crop burning. Water pollution happens when contaminants enter water bodies such as river, lakes, and ocean, making them unsafe for use. Source: industrial waste discharge, sewage and domestic waste, oil spills, agriculture runoff, fertilizers and pesticide. An example of the Ganga river has been heavily polluted due to religious waste, industrial discharge, and untreated sewage. Soil pollution refers to the what is soil pollution? Soil pollution refers to the contamination of land due to harmful chemicals and waste materials. What is the source of soil pollution? Improper disposal of waste, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, industrial waste dumping. Impact of this: reduced soil fertility affecting agriculture and food production. Noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is excessive or disturbing sound that affect human and animal life. What is the source of noise pollution? Traffic noise, industrial machinery, loudspeaker, and urban activities. What is the effect of noise pollution? Stress, hearing loss, and sleep disturbance. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution occurs when industrial release hot water into natural water bodies, rising their temperature. Impact: it reduce oxygen levels in water, harming aquatic life. Causes of pollution: industrialization, factories release large amounts of smoke and toxic chemical into the air and water. And urbanization, rapid growth of cities lead to increased waste generation, traffic congestion, and construction activities. Population growth: more people mean more consumption of resources, leading to more waste and pollution. Deforestation, cutting down trees reduce the earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, worsening air pollution. Use of fossil fuels, burning coal, oil, and gas release greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming and air pollution. Case study of pollution in Delhi. Delhi, the capital of India, is one of the most polluted cities in the world. What is the background? Delhi has experienced rapid population growth and industrial expansion. The number of vehicles has increased significantly, contributing to pollution. Major causes of pollution: vehicle emissions, construction dust, crop burning in neighboring states, industrial pollution. Effect of pollution: severe smog, especially in water, increased respiratory diseases, reduced visibility, disruption of daily life. Government measures: odd even vehicle rule, promotion of electric vehicles, ban of firecrackers, and installation of air purifiers. Despite these efforts, pollution remains a major challenge. Effect of pollution: effect on human health: respiratory disease, asthma, bronchitis, heart problems, skin diseases, cancer, and effect on environment, global warming, climate change, loss of biodiversity, acid rain, effect on economy, increased health care cost, reduced agricultural productivity, loss of tourism, pollution and climate change. Pollution, especially air pollution, plays a significant role in climate change. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming consequences, rising sea levels, extreme weather events, melting glaciers, and preventing and control measures. Government initiatives, strict environmental rules, promotion of renewable energy, waste management policies, individual action upon the prevention and control of measures, use public transport, reduce, reuse, recycle, cycle, and avoid plastic uses, and plant trees. Industrial measures, use cleaner technology, proper waste disposal, treatment of industrial influence, and technological solution, air purifier, waste recycling plants, electric vehicles. Role of education and awareness. Education plays a key role in reducing pollution. Awareness campaign can help people understand the importance of environment protection. As examples, school programs, social media campaigns, community cleanup drives, and sustainable development means meeting present needs without compromising future generation. Key principle: efficient use of resources, environment protection, economic growth. And here are the conclusion. Pollution is global problem that requires immediate attention. It affects not only the environment but also human health and the economy. While governments and industries play a major role in country controlling pollution, individuals must also take responsibility. By adopting eco-friendly practice, spreading awareness, and supporting sustainable development, we can reduce pollution and create a cleaner healthcare plan for future generation. Reference and optional for assignment: NCRT Environment Studies, WHO reports on pollution, Government of India Environment, and also more. So subscribe this channel, share this video, and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.